This is the elevator of Maur, Valley West Mall. Chime doesn't work on that.
And it is a Montgomery.
Yep, told you. There's your proof right there. Kone modernized it. It's got Kone sensors. It's got EFCO buttons.
It looks like it might still be somewhat original.
Wow. Nice motor. First time actually hearing it.
I agree.
It's because the fan's always on and that no longer lights up. Boom, sent it down to 1.
Door close does not work.
Only if you push the button.
Like that?
Yep. There's your certificate. It's finally been updated after 2009. Got a Star City elevators right there.
Hi.
Very nice Montgomery cab style elevator. Gold and brown everywhere. Take another ride or end here?
One more ride. And camera on the floor. You gotta listen to that motor.
Someone called it on 1.
So that's how you get the door to close.
Yeah, and I saw an employee taking out his walkie-talkie looking at us. So we should probably... And if there is an employee here, I'm gonna stop here so I don't get busted. But you know the drill, that's it.